Welcome to Balaya Math Lectures. Learn every step. Today we will discuss some example problems on non-homogeneous system of linear equations. In the previous lecture we have learned the thought and the procedure of solving non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Let me explain again. First of all, for the given system of equations Ax is equal to b, you have to write the augmented matrix AB and find the rank of the augmented matrix AB and compare this one with the rank of A. If these two are not equal, then the system has no solution. If rank of AB is equal to rank of A and also equal to the number of unknowns, then the system has unique solution. If rank of AB is equal to rank of A but less than number of unknowns, then the system has infinitely many solutions and n minus r linearly independent solutions. With this concept, let us solve some examples. Solve the following system of equations: x plus 2y plus z is equal to 3, 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 5, 3x minus 5y plus 5z is equal to 2 and 3x plus 9y minus z is equal to 4. Coming to the solution, I am directly writing the matrix form of the given system of equations, which is into x, y, z is equal to 3, 5, 2, 4. Let us say this is Ax is equal to b, which is a non-homogeneous system of linear equations. First of all, let us write the augmented matrix, right? The augmented matrix AB. AB is equal to, that means simply write this column vector by the side of the last column of A. That means 1 2 1 3 2 3 2 5 3 minus 5 5 2 3 9 minus 1 4. Now let us reduce this one into echelon form. How? Use this element, make these three elements as 0. That means R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1, R3 tends to R3 minus 3R1 and R4 tends to R4 minus 3R1. If you do so, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 4, minus 1, 2 minus 2, 0, 5 minus 6, minus 1, and then 3 minus 3, 0, minus 5 minus 6, minus 11, 5 minus 3, 2, 2 minus 9, minus 7, 3 minus 3, 0, 9 minus 6, 3, minus 1 minus 3, minus 4, 4 minus 9, minus 5. Now, use this element and make these two elements as 0. This is equivalent to R3 tends to R3 minus 11 R2 and R4 tends to R4 plus 3 R2. No change in first two rows, which is equivalent to 1, 2, 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1. Our target is 0 because minus 11, minus 2, minus plus 11. 0, 2 minus 0, 2, minus 7, plus 11. 4, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, minus 4 plus 0, minus 4, minus 5, minus 3, minus 8. Now, use this element and make this one as 0. That means R4 tends to R4 plus 2R3. If you do so, which is equivalent to, no change in first three rows, 1, 2, 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0. The rank of the augmented matrix is 3 because the number of non-zero rows are 3. That is, rank of AB is equal to, therefore rank of AB is equal to, and also if you remove the last column, then the number of non-zero rows are again 3, which is the rank of the matrix A. The rank of the matrix is also equal to A. Rank of AB is equal to rank of A, and number of unknowns in the unknown matrix are also 3. That means 3 is equal to n, which is the number of unknowns. That means rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to number of unknowns, so that the system has unique solution. By writing the equations, we can find the solution. That means x plus 2y plus z is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, and 2z is equal to 4. That implies z is equal to 2. We found the values of y as 1 and z value 2. By substituting these values in this equation, we can have x is equal to minus 2y minus z plus 3. That is equal to minus 2y, which means minus 2, minus z minus 2 plus 3, which is minus 1. Therefore, the solution capital X is equal to minus 1, 1, 2. Therefore, the solution of the given system is minus 1, 1, 2. To verify is it the correct solution, let us substitute these values in your first equation. X value is minus 1, and y value is 1 plus 2, and z value is also 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? 3. Is it the right hand side one? Yes. That means this is the solution of given system of linear equations. It is enough to verify for one equation. Automatically the remaining equations are also satisfied by these values. Let us solve one more problem. Test for consistency of these system of equations. Let us write the matrix form of the given system of equations directly. 4, 9, 5. That is, the given system is Ax is equal to B. The augmented matrix, let us write the augmented matrix AB is equal to, simply write this column by the side of the matrix A as a last column. That means 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 26, 2, 9, 7, 2, 10, 5. Now, let us reduce this one into echelon form. How? R2 tends to 5R2 minus 3R1. R2 tends to 5R2 minus 3R1. R3 tends to 5R3 minus 7R1, which is equivalent to, no change in the first row, 5, 3, 7, 4, and 15 minus 15, 0, 5 into 26, 130, minus 9, 121, 121, 5 into 2, 10, minus 21, minus 1, 45 minus 12, 33, 5R3 minus 7R1, 5R3 minus 7R1, which is 0, 5 2s are 10, minus 21, minus 11, 10 into 5, 50, minus 49, 1, 5 5s are 25, minus 28, minus 3. Here let us see this element again. Here it is 5R2 minus 3R1, 5 2s are 10, minus 21, which is minus 11, not minus 1, which is minus 11. Now use this element and make this one as 0. 11R3 plus R2. Then we can see that no change in first two rows, which is 5, 3, 7, 4. R3 tends to 11R3 plus R2. That means 5, 3, 7, 4, no change in the first row. And coming to second row, 0, 121, minus 11, 33. And last row becomes 11. You are multiplying this one with 11, so that minus 121 plus 121. These two elements are 0. 11 minus 11, 0. 30, minus 33 plus 33, again 0. Which is in echelon form. Which is in echelon form. So, rank of AB, how much? The number of non-zero rows are 2. And if you hide this column, then how many number of non-zero rows are there? 2 again. That means which is rank of A. That means rank of AB is equal to rank of A, which is 2 less than 3. Where the 3 is number of unknowns. That means rank of AB is equal to rank of A less than n. Then the system has infinitely many solutions. n minus r, which is 3 minus 2, one linearly independent solution. Now, how can you find that non-trivial solution? By writing the equations 5x plus 3y plus 7z is equal to 4 and divide this equation with 11, then it is 11y minus z is equal to 3. As there is one linearly independent solution, you have to take one variable as k. So let me take z is equal to k. Let z is equal to k, 3 plus k by 11 minus z to the right hand side. Then this is 3 plus k by 11. So 5x is equal to 4 minus 3y minus 7z, which is 4 minus 3 into y. That means 9 plus 3k by 11 minus 7k. On simplification, you can see that 44 minus 9 minus 3k minus 77k by 11. 44 minus 9, 35. So 5x is equal to 35 minus 3k minus 77k minus 80k by 11. Take out to 5 as constant. On both sides 5 will be cancelled. So x is equal to 7 minus 16. 16 5s are 80. So 16k by 11. So you found the values of x, y, z. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 7 minus 16k by 11. Y is 3 plus k by 11 and z is k. Where k is arbitrary, you can substitute any value of k which satisfies these equations. I request all of you, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Balaya Math Lectures. Thank you.